EDBL stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to be answering everything around that in this brief and short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. With Edible Garden AG stock, I've seen a very decent increase, right? I like this pump up with 50% up. As the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And more so, I've made videos on EDBL beforehand. I don't know like where the freaking drawings are. Okay, because we got a split. They went a little lower. You can see like right here, right? Yeah, for sure. It doesn't show it in the Discord, but ultimately I'm just going to mark down the lows. And without a proper full candle close above 402, there's no way I'm looking to double down on that, right? There's no way I'm looking to buy or be bullish on this. And bro, maybe if like I see a double break from here on, I'm then going to look to take it down. Other than that, randomly selling, it's not going to be happening. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.